If you think you can't become a millionaire because your salary is too low, think again. There are janitors, teachers, and waiters who quietly become millionaires, not by winning the lottery or starting the next tech company, but by following a few powerful wealth principles that actually work. So in this video, we're breaking down how to become a millionaire on a low salary, step by step, even if you're restarting with almost nothing. Stick around till the end, because the last step is something 90% of people ignore, and it's the reason they never build real wealth. Welcome back to Official Finance Clarity, where we make personal finance simple, practical, and real for everyday Americans. If you're serious about financial freedom, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Because here, it's all about one mission: finance made simple, wealth made possible. Step 1. Stop thinking like a spender. Let's start with the hard truth. You can't outturn bad habits. No matter how much money you make, if you spend it all, you'll stay broke forever. The first mindset shift is this: wealth is not about income, it's about behavior. Even if you make $35,000 a year, saving and investing just $500 a month can turn into over $1 million in 30 years with compound interest. Think about that. You can literally invest your way to millionaire status without ever earning six figures. All it takes is consistency and time. Step 2. Automate your savings. Here's where most people mess up. They try to save after spending, but the trick is to pay yourself first. Set up automatic transfers right after payday. 10% goes straight into an emergency fund. 15% or more into an investment account like a Roth IRA or 401k. You'll be shocked how fast you adapt to living on the rest. Automation removes emotion and discipline from the equation. You save without thinking about it. Step 3. Start investing. Even small amounts. You don't need to wait until you're rich to invest. In fact, investing early is how you become rich. Start with index funds like S&P 500, ETFs low cost and proven over decades. Roth IRA, tax-free growth for retirement employer, 401k, especially if there's a match, it's free money. If you invest just $300 a month at an 8% return, starting at age 25, by 55 you'll have over $450,000, and by 65, more than $900,000. That's millionaire territory on a low salary. Step 4. Increase income strategically. You don't need to double your income overnight, just increase your earning power. Here's how. Learn a skill that pays more like digital marketing, coding, sales, or project management. Negotiate raises. Most employees never ask, but it can add thousands per year. Start a small side hustle. Even an extra $200 a month invested makes a massive difference. Remember, you don't need to chase get-rich-quick ideas, you just need steady, smart income growth. Step 5. Avoid lifestyle creep. This one destroys more wealth than bad investments. As your income rises, it's tempting to upgrade everything: the car, the apartment, the vacations. But here's the secret. Keep living like you're broke, even after you start making money. Warren Buffett still lives in the same house he bought in 1958. It's not about being cheap, it's about being smart. Every dollar you don't spend is a soldier that can go work for you in investments. Step 6. Own assets, not liabilities. Wealthy people buy things that make them money. Broke people buy things that cost them money. Here's the difference. Assets, stocks, index funds, real estate, small businesses, liabilities, car loans, credit card debt, expensive gadgets. Your goal should be to have your assets pay for your lifestyle. That's when true financial freedom begins. Step 7. Let time and consistency do the work. The secret ingredient to becoming a millionaire on a low salary isn't hustle, it's patience. Most people quit too early, but compounding works slowly at first, then explodes. You don't get rich overnight, you get rich quietly, 1 month at a time. So here's your challenge. Start today. Even if it's just $50 a week, put it aside, invest it, and don't touch it. Because 10 years from now, you'll thank yourself for starting when others made excuses. If this video gave you clarity, smash that like button. Share it with a friend who needs to hear this. And don't forget to subscribe to Official Finance Clarity for more weekly videos on building wealth the smart way. Finance made simple, wealth made possible. Your salary doesn't make you rich. Your habits do.